Oh shit, where's my, god damn it, I put it in the, alright, well, I'm just gonna hold this for a second, which is not a good idea, because I'm in fucking the financial district. Yeah, so I just wanted to talk about my boyfriend application. I'm super single, and a girl wants to have a boyfriend. Yeah, so this is not smart what I'm doing. Don't copy me. Don't copy me. I just wanted to ride on my city bike and talk about what we would do if we were boyfriend and girlfriend. This is what we would do, babe, just you and me. So what it would be like being my boyfriend. You would have to deal with a lot of attention. I get a lot of attention, but I have a lot of fun. And I also interact with a lot of people. So, it would never be a dull moment. And I'm gonna need you to never try to tell me to not live free. I'm a very free person, and if we ever get together, you have to also be a free person. Like, it won't ever work out. Thank you. It won't ever work out. Let's go by the fucking water. So being my boyfriend would entail having to go on random little side quests every single day. I'm gonna feed you real good though, because I'm Polish and I just get a lot of warmth in my heart. Hold it down. So yeah, girls, look at my new haircut. I love it. Yeah, so guys, we're here, we're queer. It's Warrior Princess. My mom used to be a mail lady. So I feel right at home over here with the mail trucks. But, yeah, so I am going to make a boyfriend application. I feel like I've just been single for way too long. I'm gonna make a boyfriend application. And what it's for? Bitch. So it's pretty much just like a boyfriend audition. I was thinking I could make it into a series, like if I get enough auditions or people submitting the forms, then I could do episodes and we could do episodes of our dates. I'm not gonna just go on a date with anybody, but I think that would be really cool because like you wanna have fun, I wanna have fun, we could all have fun, we could all be friends. But yeah, so fill out the form if you're interested. I got nervous. But yeah, fill out the form if you're interested. We're all adults here and shit. Pardon me on your right. Pardon me on your right. Thank you. Let me get off this godforsaken sidewalk. I don't really know where I want to go right now, but that's what it's gonna be like when we go on our date. Like, you have to let me control the whole narrative. We might city bike, we might go do some other shit on your dime. Just know that. It'll be really fun. It's gonna be memories for a lifetime. But definitely, you know, shoot your shot. I just feel like it's really good season for it. Whoa, that was kind of crazy. Damn, where am I at? Risk taker. I love YNW Melly. I hope you can hear me. This audio might fucking suck. Honestly, I have no idea where the hell I even am. But let's go to Union Square. Yeah, so I'm pretty much just looking for applicants for, like, I'm looking for my boyfriend. So it's gonna be like a little dating series. I'm really excited for episode 1. For some reason, I feel like episode 1's gonna be my match. Dang, dude. Yeah, I feel like episode 1, whoever goes on that first date, like, I just feel like it's gonna be amazing. That's gonna be the one right there. But yeah, so apply, put your phone number in, I'm gonna call you. Make sure your social media is public.
I don't like walking on the sidewalk.
Good. My new boyfriend, he might be here at Tompkins Square Park, and he doesn't even know it yet. He could be in this crowd right now. Huh? What are you talking about? What the hell are you talking about? What? What's up? Is he my new boyfriend? Is he my new boyfriend? We'll never know. Lucy!
Oh shit, what's good?
What's up, bro? How you
Nothing
doing?
much. I'm sweaty.
Oh
You don't want to
God.
hug me. I'm sweaty. You don't want to do that. Sweaty.
Wait, hold this.
Yeah, I got you.
I got napkins. Hi.
Don't tell me about the white meat down.
I'm waving me down. You want me to wave you down?
You don't have to.
Here,
I
turn
got.
around.
Hold on. Let me take this.
Turn around.
Yeah. I told you I'm sweaty.
Woo! Yeah. This isn't the first time. Is he my new boyfriend? I don't know. My new boyfriend could even be over here. He could even be in 14th Street Trader Joe's. He could even be on this train. But I do know one place he absolutely is not. Tompkins Skate Park. But the bottom line is, regardless of where he's at, I'm gonna find him. And so episode 1, I really look forward to. Send in your applications, send me your phone number, fire drive. I want to hear about your passions. I want to hear about your favorite things in this world. I want to hear about what you would do if you had all the means in the world. What would we be doing? I want to hear about what's important to you. Yeah, I hope we can go on a date. I hope we can connect. Send in your boyfriend for us. It's gonna be so fire. The possibilities are endless. But I am for certain one place my new boyfriend could not possibly be, and it's Tompkins Skate Park. What it would be like